All right, everybody. So, yeah, for social distancing, I'm being busy inside this small house in my backyard um, with my grandson Coco here.
Hello.
Say hi, Coco.
Hi.
Hi to everyone. Yeah, so we've been busy um, putting up the walls. As I was discussing in my previous video, um, they approved the rough ceiling, and they also approved the ditch cover. So this is what the ditch cover is right here. So you can see I already covered it up. Yeah, so it's connected over there. Yep. And yeah, Coco helped me. So we cut the sidewalk here. We have to repair it. All right. So those two are approved. So we're moving along here. Let me go show you what we did inside. All right. Okay. So okay. Let me go ahead and turn on the light. All right. Light is on. Yep. Drywalls are up. So first coat for the drywall on the ceiling. So that's the very first coat. I'll come back and show you guys later on when everything is completed. We put the primer and then we paint it. We're almost there. This is my very first time to do drywalls. Not yet. And so, let me show you something here. I'm gonna use something. All right, so this is my, yeah, so I'm using this. So I'm gonna show you my, this is my sub panel. All right, let me make it a little bit closer so you guys can see it. So this is my sub panel. It's connected from the main panel. So the red and the black wires, those are my hot wires, right? The green one is the grounding, white is neutral. In sub panels, you must separate the white neutral line from the green grounding. I'll show you later on in the main panel, they're all on the same bar. But here is different because I have this bar over here and then there's another bar kind of hiding back there for the grounding. So I separate those up. This is a sub panel for 100 amp, but I'm just using 60 amp. I don't need 100 amp out here. I think I only needed 60 and this is what I'm getting. And I'll show you why I said it's 60 amps, right? Later on, okay, when we go to the main panel. But as you can see in here, I have a 20 amp breaker here. I have two 15 amp breakers. This one serves a purpose. It's a dedicated breaker for my wall heater. And I'll show you the wall heater here. Yep, right there, Coco. Show them the wall heater.
What?
Can you show them the wall heater? Yeah. So this is the wall heater. Yeah. And it is controlled by a thermostat. And the thermostat is here on the side of the wall. Alright? So the power comes from the circuit, come to this of course, and then go to the heater over there. Alright? Why I place my thermostat here? So that way it kind of does. You know. Okay. Thank you, Coco. Alright? And then the other breaker, the 15 amp breaker, is for the lights, the one inside and two outside. And then I use a 20 amp breaker here for all the outlets. And I'm still working on the outlets, that's why that one is off. Okay, now let's do this again. So the 20 amp breaker, that's for my outlets. and I'm still working on this. That's why it was off. So this is a GFCI here, which means this is the beginning of the circuit. So it protects all the outlets down the circuit. And we have one up here close to the ceiling for TV, and then one down here, and then one here, and you come to this window, come to this corner, there's one, and then you come here, and then there's another one. And then you have two switch here. If you wonder what this is, yeah, that's a smart switch. All right, so you can control the switch from anywhere in the world, even in Yap or Chook or PhonePe. You can turn off and on the lights. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. So you can see, man, I'm my very first. So you wonder why we have all these gaps here, right? Yeah, don't worry about those, because we're gonna put up the trains and it's gonna hide it. And then on the floor here, yeah, you see the subfloor, yep. The window trims, they're all gonna go out, right? Window trims, okay? It's a beautiful day out here.
Hey, Papa.
Yeah, hi.
Are you making a video?
Yeah. So I run my wire, go it up here, I'm here, access panels, and then I'm behind this guy, come all the way in, all the way in, all the way, all the way, into my garage. Messy. Very messy right now because I'm working. So sorry for my mess. Okay, let's go to the main panel. So this is the main panel here. I have access down here too. And then this is the main panel. Alright, so if you can see, this is the bar that I talked to you guys about. Okay. It's kind of a neutral and grounding bar. They're all together on the same. So you see the green wire there, and then you see the wire, the white wire. Okay. So the reason why I say I'm using a 60 amp, because this is it. So this is, if you can see it, it says 60 on there. All right. See this. See this, right? That's 60. See that? 60. Okay? And the red and black wire that went out to my garage. Not garage, sorry. To my shed back there, or cabin. So they come out from here. Alright. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this episode of social distancing. Me working on my small hut, trying to finish up the inside. Yeah, so I'm out here. Please say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah. So don't forget to hit wherever, maybe this way, that way, or down here, right? So you can subscribe to our channel.